Round 3, OSW, the home track. This is actually the first track that I got to drive at many years ago, and my shit stank. And now we're here playing with big dogs in hopes of getting our pro spec license one day. Probably won't be this year, but we are on a very strong train and learning every ins and outs of this program. So check back, let's get on the track, we'll see you there. Car overheated on the bank. Not too well. We're going back out. It's a stressful day. Let's get it.
Good. Yeah.
Letting him get away from me. I entered super aggressive and he kind of went to reinitiate on the bank, which I was right there, so I just hit him and that's what happened. It happens. I forget how to drive sometimes.
Outside. Okay, I got it. Roll. Yeah, fix it out. This one's 37, the other one's 31. The other one's 31. Is the hitter tight? Not there.
Now mine's not working.
Someone has the radio on the radio.
Oh, 1700, hold on. I gotta make sure I get the active setting. Got right. Roll on.
D. Let's go, Willie!
Look at is the front tire.
Boy says he's not a range driver. Killing it.
Just heard some sound effects. She's working on her Folly for Hollywood. Here we go. Andreas Messner in the lead. Willie Espinoza in the chase. Andreas coming out there with the backfire on his G. Wow. And that was the sound that Kelsey was trying to mimic. Oh! Willie goes into the pond. Main bracket is Jeff Willie Espinoza commit to the outside. Messner on the inside, dropping way low. He's going to need to not overpass. He kind of straightens up there, and the tire smoke is coming back. I don't think either one of them were expecting that grip to come back. And now we've got a really interesting scenario. Messner spinning out and Willie continuing around the track. This is going to be more difficult than when it was all wet. And I think these conditions are something that's worth talking about for a second, is that when everything is wet, everything's wet. When everything's dry, everything's dry. When some things are dry and some things are wet, and you can't...
30 podium 30 seating, baby! It's like, we can't get off of seating. 2 seating podiums in a row. You're in third last time too, right? Yeah. I want to turn up for f***ing straight pump. Ah, the door!
This lake.
Why are we doing this? Can we go do the main bracket, please?
I don't know why I'm here. They told me to come up here. I'm just here.
Come up here, and then they were like, "Oh, we already announced it on the live stream, so we're done."
Oh, that's cool.
We got third place, Willie Espinoza. Second place, Andrew Grindle. Third place, Tyler Hess. Congrats, guys. Let's see what you guys do for Bank now.
Woo!
Where the hell you went?
Oh my god! Two-step, baby! We're going into top 32 right now. We're going against Camel. Weather's kind of being weird, but we're still going to send it.
While they're trying to get him off his track.
Well, top 32 didn't go as planned. I'm pretty sure we lost another motor. My lead run was it was alright. The car didn't feel the same. As soon as I initiated all day, I was literally pushing my brake pedal through the floorboard because I was completely flat out, left the brake on the bank, nice and high, inches away from the wall at some times. And that last lead, I did the exact same thing I've been doing all day, and the car just did not want to react the same way it did all day in practice and all through seating. So on my chase, I tried to make sure he didn't get away from me. I entered, as soon as I let off the clutch, I said no pressure, no mas. I'm tired, boss. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and we will see you guys with whatever we do next, maybe round 4 or something.
Engine rebuild.
Yeah, engine rebuild. But don't forget, hit the like and subscribe, and shout out to y'all.
Let's go.
I don't know how to swim.
I don't know. I was drilling holes.